clear financial plan and financial goals will aid investors in choosing the right investment product to invest in. But if you are looking for guidance on how to pick the right investment vehicle, we have our industry expert Mr. Gurraj with us. Gurraj, over to you.
When it comes to selection of investments, you should be clear where to take risk. If you have long-term goal, take risk. The advantage of taking risk is you can achieve that goal with smaller amount, right? But if when you can't take risk, then you have to invest high. That is what we said: high investment, low risk, but for short-term goals. Low investment, yes, with high risk, but it is only for long-term goals. So you can use like this kind of chart, which kind of categories I have to choose based on my time frame. So as I mentioned earlier, 1 to 3 years debt, 3 to 6 years maybe hybrid, 6 to 10 years you can look at large cap, flexi cap. Anything about 10 years you can look at multi cap for me. Of course, you can look at mid cap, small cap also. But for me, it is multi cap, large cap, flexi cap, and probably a hybrid mutual fund. And of course, the ELSs I'll own as a category.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.